Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you all the new collections of LV. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, SKUs, and launch date. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website or your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, as promised, since now I have the prices and more photos, I would love to share everything back to you again. So first we have guys the Never Wolf MM. So this collection guys would be launching March 20th this year. Price of this one is 2,500 euro or 3,500 USD. So the Never Wolf MM is the Never Full, but of course you could use this one to carry our fur babies, especially dogs. Then of course we have the very beautiful Carry All PM. Price of this one is 2,900 euro or 3,600 USD. So this is the interior of the Carry All. So of course this is from the monogram denim collection. Material is monogram denim, colorway is blue, and of course it would come with cowhide leather trims, and the strap is fully detachable. Next guys, we have the very chic all-in size BB. Price is 2,500 euro or 3,000 USD. We have the SKU here. So this is the close-up view. So of course, as you can see, it has the blue denim material. This is the interior. It comes of course with fully detachable mini pochette. Of course it would come with cowhide or vachetta leather trims with adjustable strap. So next on the collection, we have the Louis Vuitton baggy. So this one actually came or from the archives from their original release of the monogram denim. So this is the close-up view and the interior. So as most of these bags, of course, when you're going to open the interior, it would also have the monogram denim lining. So of course the strap is made of vachetta and it is fully adjustable and detachable. Then of course, if you are looking for a travel luggage, then we have the Horizon 55. Price is 3,400 euro or 4,250 USD. So this is the interior, this is the back side. So everything is made of monogram denim in blue. Then it would come with cowhide leather trims. Then of course it comes with silver hardware as well. So next on the collection, we have the Nice Mini. This one is really beautiful and perhaps one of my top choice from the monogram denim blue colorway. So price of this one is 1,050 euro or 1,360 USD. So guys, are you aware that you could actually convert this Nice Mini into a shoulder bag? If you're going to attach the earrings on the handle, then definitely you could already attach any strap, so you could transform this one into a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Then we have the True Speedy. So hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price is 650 euro or 795. So originally guys, with the leak, I thought this was a Khaki, but this is like a much bigger version, so a True Speedy, because as you can see, quarter view is a lot more thicker, but of course it comes with the feature of the Khaki as well. Then we have the Keepall size 45. Price is 3,000 euro or 3,850 USD. So the main material is monogram denim in cowhide or in blue colorway. Of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. This is the interior, same interior. Then of course it would come with fully detachable and adjustable vachetta strap, and the bag tag is made of blue denim as well. Then we have everyone's favorite, we have the Cruiser toiletry bag. So price is 1,250 euro or 1,850 USD. So as you can see, this is how you're going to open with a zipper. Then of course you could close it like this using the vachetta leather trims, which is fully adjustable. Then of course it would come with cowhide leather trims as well. And then we have the Diane Nano. So price is 1,900 euro or 2,430 USD. So this is a fully functional nano bag. So as you can see, it has the monogram denim detail, even the interior. Then of course the strap, the top handle, and the shoulder strap is fully detachable as well. So next on the collection, so we have the pochette accessories cargo. So I think I was lying. So on top, this would be my number one from the denim collection. So price is 1,700 euro or 2,030 USD. So pochette cargo or pochette accessories cargo. So the reason why they're naming it cargo, because up front it has the pocket. So we have a larger pocket, then we have a smaller pocket, and the strap is fully detachable as well. Then we have the Capucines Mini. Price is 6,500 euro or 7,700 USD. So the main material of this one is cerulean leather, but we are going to see that it is embellished with 3D flowers made of like a lighter or a see-through denim. Then of course it would come with cowhide leather trims, which is color white. It would come with detachable chain strap as well. So next on the collection, so we have a Vivian bag charm. So we have the SKU here. So just kindly take a screenshot. Then of course it is made of monogram denim. So the front part, we're going to see the leather material, which is the face of Vivian. So this is the close-up view. Then of course it would come with gold hardware. So since this is a bag charm, you could use it from any bags that you have from LV or even other bags. Then of course we have a backstage hair clips. So could you believe this price? 635 USD for a hair clip. Wow. So the main material is monogram denim, but of course the bottom part is made of cowhide or vachetta leather trims, and it will come with gold hardware. So I'm just not sure how the vachetta leather would color. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Now let us talk about the pink denim colorway. So firstly, we have the Pochette Valley. So thank you everyone for sharing the name of this bag. So price is 1,700 euro or 2,030 USD. We have the SKU here. So for the Pochette Valley, so as you can see, you can close it via the koala nose closure. The strap is fully detachable, so this is a good size bag, and since it is made of denim, then definitely it is a little bit expandable. Then the Louis Vuitton baggie would come in the pink denim colorway. Price of this one is 2,900 euro or 3,650 USD. So the main material is monogram denim in pink, and of course it would come with cowhide leather chips. So it comes with a zipper closure for the main compartment, and the strap is fully detachable and adjustable as well. Then guys, we have the Pochette Cosmetic. Super expensive at 750 euro or 930 USD. Same material, so the pink denim or the pink Louis Vuitton monogram denim. So this is the interior. It comes of course with silver hardware. Then of course, as you can see, this is the back part still with the Louis Vuitton monogram. Next on the collection, so we have the Louis Vuitton Sunset. So again, another archival design from the original release. Price at 2,450 euro or 3,100 USD. So the strap is fully detachable, as we can see here. This is the interior. multiple compartments, could be closed via the Louis Vuitton koala nose closure in gold hardware. So next in the collection, so the all-in BB would come in the pink denim colorway as well, but they do have the same features. So price is 2,500 euro or 3,000 USD. So the strap is fully detachable and fully adjustable. It comes with mini pochette that is made with pink denim monogram as well. It comes with gold tone hardware. Next on the collection, so we have the very beautiful Nano Speedy, but a little bit expensive because the price is 2,250 euro or 2,700 USD. So the difference about this one from the classic Nano Speedy, it's like a cargo design because as you can see, up front it would come with like a pocket. Then of course the strap is fully detachable. So next on the collection, we have an SLG. We have the Victorine wallet priced at 550 euro or 735 USD. So the main materials monogram denim in pink. Then this is the interior. It comes with one zippered compartment. The interior part, it would be cowhide leather trim, so it would be more hard wearing. Then of course it would come with gold hardware. So next on the collection, so we have the Keeple size 45. Price is 3,000 euro or 3,850 USD. We have the SKU here. So the monogram denim collection, which is in the pink denim colorway. It comes of course with vachetta leather trims. It would come with bag tag, lock-in keys, and detachable and adjustable leather strap. So next on the collection, guys, we have the True Speedy. Again, apologies if I'm mispronouncing that one. So price is 650 euro or 795 USD. So we have the SKU here. So this is a little bit bigger and more spacious than the classic Khaki, as you can see, because sideways it has more space. Then this is the back part, and then of course it would come with gold hardware. So next on the collection, guys, let us discuss another or a different colorway, which is the khaki denim. So first we have the carry all cargo PM, price at 2,900 euro or 3,600 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. So it has a zippered compartment, but of course for you to be able to close it, you have to tie the leather vachetta strips. The strap is fully detachable if I'm not mistaken. Then we have the beautiful side trunk size price is 3,700 euro or 4,700 USD. So the main material is in the khaki monogram denim with cowhide leather trims, as you can see here. Comes in multiple straps. We have shoulder bag. It comes of course with a crossbody strap. It would come with jeans. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a back emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!